Make a great choice today with the 2025 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.